Hello, you're looking at a Mannor 3-stage dual washer brought to you by Lanco. This particular washer is all stainless steel construction, unique design in that it's a dual washer. This has a 14-inch wide conveyor belt, also has a 20-inch diameter rotary drum washer. These are 3-stage washers. They include a heated wash, a heated rinse, and a heated dry off. It's all gas-fired heat. This also includes a control panel you can see down here. It also comes with a separate tank and oil skimmer, and also has a load conveyor. Here on the opposite side of the washer, you can see the pumps here for the individual stages. You can also see the blow-off blower. You can also see part of the gas train. It does have access doors. Once again, this is a Mannor dual washer. You can see the load hopper. Overall dimensions are 228 inches long, 98 inches wide, 94 inches high. The estimated weight is 8,900 pounds. Once again, this is a Mannor dual washer, model JS 2000 D22 B14. It's a 1x1 conveyor belt. It's all stainless. And the rotary drum has 1/8 inch perfs, once again all stainless. 3-stage heated wash and rinse and blow off. If you're interested in this Mannor dual washer, please contact Lanco at 616-887-8300 or online at www.lanco-corp.com. Thank you for watching and have a great day.